How to fix TikTok direct messages. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix the direct messages easily and fast. First thing guys, open the settings and then open the apps manager. On this page, as you can see, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on TikTok app and then click on this option to stop the app. And then go into the storage, click on clear data and then click on delete. Go back and click on clear cache and then go back. Click on open by default right here. Click on open supported links in this app and choose always allow. And now you have to go back into the settings of your phone. Go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it. And then the last thing you want to do is make sure that you update your TikTok into the latest version in the Play Store or the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe.